I got the confirmation here.
But there's nothing wrong there.
I got the
There's
confirmation.
nothing wrong, right?
I got the confirmation here. I show you.
You don't need to show me anything.
I show
But
you. I show
you need to understand. You need to understand. Tomorrow, you moving the furniture, somebody break his leg, I am responsible. Because this is my house. This is
I
my
pay for it.
property.
Cash money.
It
I
doesn't
pay
mean-
for cash money.
Okay.
Nobody go, nobody where. Nowhere. Cash, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000. Out of my pocket. I sign the paper. I put it right there. Take my license.
Write it down.
Put it right. No.
This is not, don't use this. This is by a lawyer. Don't use
Listen.
this one. That's no lawyer.
Listen.
This is lawyer.
I write it down, a piece of paper for you with my license. If somebody broke it, something here, or break it something, it's my responsibility. I pay cash money out of my pocket. Between you and me, not between her. I don't care her. Between you and me. I sign the paper right now. Fill it up. I sign it. I give my license.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
If
That's
you
it.
want, cross this out. Write on the back so you have a sheet of paper. Cross it out. It's void. Just write void across it so it's not legal.
It's my responsibility. Between you and me.
And then just use the, cross it out. You write on the back sheet of paper. Write
Take my
whatever-
license.
Write whatever you want to put on there, write on there. The two of you sign, it's legal.
No. I don't want that.
So a sheet
No,
of
I'm
paper.
just,
I'm sorry.
this
sorry.
is plain piece of
I'm gonna
paper.
give you a piece of paper.
This is plain piece
I'm
of
gonna
paper.
give you a piece of paper.
This
I
is
sign
plain.
it, the blank
Okay,
paper.
it's fine, Tatiana. Blank sheet of paper. Let him get it. It's fine.
Okay,
It's
fine.
fine.
I find a piece of paper.
I don't think you have one. You backed everything.
Right.
Okay.
Put your license, pull it out, put your license name, you sign it. I sponsor up tomorrow for the,
No, you write it.
no, you write it, you write it.
Can you write it?
You're writing, I sign it. What do you want to put?
That you're responsible for everything which happened in this house up till 4 o'clock tomorrow.
For shepherding what?
Whatever. That's what you
No,
said.
I responsible for somebody drop on the floor,
But whatever.
so you, no,
Yeah.
I responsible for that. I
Yeah,
sign it.
yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Right.
Or if anything breaks, if something,
Yeah.
if,
Whatever.
Okay, so Carlos, how to spell your last name?
Evia, H-E-V-I-A.
H-E-V-I-A.
You have his license.
I got a license. Give me your license too.
Oh my gosh.
You look pretty. But you look better now.
Guys, calm down, please.
Okay,
Everything.
Carlos here.
Don't, like I told you, don't push me, you don't wanna see my power.
No.
You wanna see my power? I tell you my power now.
Guys, it's
Russian
not.
Cubans.
Listen, I wanna talk to her.
Is
If you
responsible.
want, listen to me. If you want, I suspend your license.
excuse me,
I suspend your license.
suspend my license.
Yes.
Is
If you want.
responsible.
If I want,
Yes.
call my broker. I don't
I
have
don't
a
got to
problem.
call nobody else.
Tranquilo.
I call only the government of Florida, South Florida.
That's fine.
I call and say,
I-
that gentleman
Yeah.
is a piece of
Oh,
crap.
wait a minute.
I'm
Okay.
fine with that. I'm
You know,
fine.
you suspend your license. I broke your
Nice.
license
That's fine.
because you want to respect me. You know who I am. You know?
Carlos.
You know
please.
what?
You know who I am.
I'm their realtor.
Carlos.
And I'm
I don't care who you are.
That's
I know who I am.
That's fine.
In Florida, in the United States.
I'm not afraid.
Okay, I'm a
Enough.
piece of shit.
Enough. That's fine. I don't care.
Don't treat me like me.
Really?
Okay? My wife also.
Watch
No,
your
no.
finger.
Don't go.
I'm gonna call
Don't cross the
911.
line.
Tatiana, I'm gonna call 911 in 2 seconds. If you to calm down.
Carlos.
Don't cross the line.
And do not threaten me.
Carlos.
Don't cross the line.
Do not
I
threaten
told
me.
you.
I'm not
I
afraid.
have one question.
You're screaming my wife at the phone.
Nobody's.
Nobody's screaming
Almost
at your
she
wife.
cried.
No, but you're right.
Almost she cried. You say, why?
No.
If you talk to me like that, believe me. Oh,
You know what?
man.
That's fine, and he can leave
You're
the
in trouble
property.
long time. Believe me.
That's fine. I'm okay with that.
Believe me.
I'm okay with that, Carlos.
Believe me.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Drive-
Don't push me.
Your
Let me put my license name. My license number. I need your license number.
Your license.
I'm Carlos Evia.
That's fine. It's
In
nice
United
to meet you.
States.
That's fine.
What it has to do with
I'm
my-
Carlos Evia.
That's fine.
Don't forget my name.
Because
I'm not
you
gonna
sign-
forget your
you
name.
sign too.
Don't forget my name.
I'm
Yeah,
not forgetting
and
your
I
name.
understand. Okay.
Don't forget my name.
Enough.
I told you.
Basta.
Don't forget my name.
Basta.
I'm Mr. Carlos Heredia. No Carlos Heredia. Mr. Carlos
Mr.
Heredia.
Carlos Heredia, I got that.
He know me. When I'm excited, he tried to fight too.
We talked about that, didn't we?
I told you.
We talked about that.
Did you vote for your government to president,
So you smile.
Carlos?
Sorry?
Did you vote for your government to be the president of the United States?
I tell you what, I got power in the United States. That's what I
No,
told
that's
you.
what I asked because I
You know what I got here? I show you. You know what I got?
Did you?
Nobody has. Only the cop, the police, undercover, the FBI, only. I got it.
I told you.
That's what I got. That's what I got.
Listen,
Okay? Don't push.
didn't we talk about something
Don't
before?
push. Nobody has it.
Carlos,
Carlos.
please.
Didn't we talk about that before? I thought we were on the same. Come on. You disappointed.
Give me a flash.
Yeah.
I put it down myself. Don't you trust me?
Okay.
Did I ever let you
Good.
down?
Okay, I'm Russian. Russian.
Exactly.
I'm Cuban. I'm not American. I'm Cuban. Now I'm Cuban.
I'm American.
No, I'm Cuban. I'm born from Cuba.
We born in Soviet Union.
We bought in Soviet Union, which doesn't exist anymore.
The country that is.
I got your business card.
I'm happy you do,
Got
Carlos.
it.
I'm happy you have it.
Don't forget my name.
I did
told
it.
you.
Mr. Carlos
I told you,
Heredia,
don't
born in
forget my
Cuba.
name.
I got it.
Where's your
Soon you got news.
That's
Soon.
fine.
Soon.
That's fine.
You got news.
That's fine.
Look at my hat. The blood pressure higher.
The what?
The blood pressure. You see?
Yeah.
Red.
I'm not trying to fight
I
with
vote
you.
how?
Listen to me.
Who phone is there?
This.
This is Carlos.
Yeah.
Ah, this is Carlos.
This. Somebody paid for that.
For what?
Believe me.
Somebody-
Somebody paid. I don't know who.
Paid for what?
You both or you nice